Are you ready for the ultimate showdown? V's. Which one will come out on top? Let's break it down. In the red corner, we have AI, the intelligent machine that's here to automate the world. And in the blue corner, we have humans, the creative, emotional, and innovative thinkers. Point no. One AI is automating repetitive tasks. Take a seat. It's time to get some good news. AI is taking over those boring, manual, and repetitive jobs that we all hate. Think data entry, basic customer support, answering frequently asked questions. Machines have been doing this stuff way better than us humans for ages. They don't need breaks, they don't get tired, and they don't have bad days. In manufacturing and logistics, AI and machines are faster, more efficient, and more precise than humans. By automating these tasks, businesses save valuable time and money. And let's be honest, who wants to do repetitive work when you can use AI to do it better and faster? Point to AI is creating new job opportunities. Yep, you heard that right. As AI technology advances, it's creating a whole new bunch of job opportunities for humans. We need developers, engineers, and data scientists to build, maintain, and improve AI systems. There's a rising demand for AI trainers, ethical AI specialists, and automation managers. Businesses are also looking for AI-powered marketing and content specialists who can leverage AI tools to create engaging campaigns and content. So while some jobs may be lost, others will be gained. Point 3. Not all jobs are safe. As much as we love our fellow humans, some jobs are just ripe for the picking for AI and machines. Any job that follows a routine or a set of rules is at risk. This includes data entry, telemarketing, and factory assembly. Customer service roles that involve answering basic questions or troubleshooting simple problems are also at risk. We're looking at you, AI. Even some financial analysis roles could be replaced by AI, as it can predict market trends and analyze data faster than any human. Point 4. Some jobs are safe for now. Jobs that require creativity, innovation, and emotional intelligence are not so easily replaced. This includes writers, designers, and artists. AI can mimic styles and generate content based on data, but it can't replace the human touch. Therapists, teachers, and counselors are also safe as they need to build relationships and connect with people on an emotional level. Skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, and doctors are also not at risk. At least not yet. Point 5. The future is bright. The key to surviving the AI revolution is to embrace the change and work alongside AI. Humans and AI working together can accomplish amazing things. AI can handle the boring stuff while humans focus on more creative and strategic tasks. By learning to leverage AI, we can all become more productive and efficient. AI won't replace humans. It will change how we work and create new industries and opportunities. Businesses that embrace AI and upskill their workforce will thrive. So don't fear the robot uprising. It's going to be humans plus AI all the way. So what do you think? Will AI replace jobs or create more opportunities? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.